So I'm going to take them out of the wrappers. Looks like they may go in one of the chairs or table. And we have the legs, at least one set of them. So let's knock it out. I'm going to take the legs, and there's a groove here. This is going to sit on top of that. I'm going to take and put a screw and turn this over. So you have holes top and the side, so you got holes on the bottom, so you want to make sure they line up on the bottom and on the top here. Not enough lighting. Okay, you got holes on the side and holes on the top. I want to make sure they line up with the holes on the side and the top. Side, the bottom and the side of the back of the chair. So let's do that. Little washer and that. Put the washer behind that and begin assembly. Unless it doesn't help, this is a slow process. Okay, for the bottom of the chair, this one, both is longer than the rest of them, you can't miss it. And that goes there. Take that part, flip it over, and now we're going to take, let's go ahead and washer it upside down. Put the bracket in the middle, has 4 holes. Okay, for the bottom of the chair, this one, both is longer than the rest of them, you can't miss it. And that goes there. Take some gold and help them out there. You can see the blue on it. You distinguish that. Keep it stabilized. Flip it back over. And now I'm going to take the chair, bottom of the chair, take this This is the swivel that goes, and you can take and move it with your hand to get it to shift. So, we'll access the hose. I'm going to take and fix it this way. It looks like according to instructions. I'm going to now apply. Alright, we're going to drop them down now. Okay. I'm going to flip it over now. We're going to take and flip it over. We're going to take it now to the other part of the bracket to the bottom of the legs. Alright, trying to get my washer in here. Alright. So line the hose up. Like I said, you can move it around. Let's get one in. Not too tight, so you can move that. Two more to go. Line up the hose. See how fast this is with the drill? Okay. Just need to flip it over and get our cushion screwed on. And we'll be all set. You just need to flip it over now and put our cushion on. We're going to have these 4 screws to mount it from the, and we're going to have some holes. Let's see if I can get the hooks. I can't get the nut like that. We have some holes here on our 4 brackets to mount it to the wood that's on the cushion. So all I'm going to do is drill those in. Diversity 2, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. The Powell furniture, thanks. Diversity 2, thanks for watching. Don't forget to Diversity 2, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.